Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get into EducationGalaxy. And EducationGalaxy is going to be something that we are going to be using pretty frequently here in our math class. And I'm going to give you your login information and how to log in and what the very first thing you're going to do in EducationGalaxy is for Mrs. Garza's math class. So here I am on the EducationGalaxy website. You would just type in educationgalaxy.com in your search bar, and you're going to go to log in, and you're going to type in your username and your password. Your username and password is exactly what it was for everything else you use. Zeros. So here it is, 064037. This is not going to be yours. It is your initials and your lunch number. Your password is going to be your lunch number. Again, your login, your username is your initials and your lunch number, and your password is just your lunch number. Log in, and here we are. Parent, if you want to connect, you can click Parent Connect, and then you just scan this code or this link, and then you can see how your student is doing in EducationGalaxy. Okay, I said the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to go to this yellow tab called My Diagnostics. You're going to click Math, and you're going to take the pre-test. It's going to say not taken. You're going to start this, and you're going to work this out. You may not know every single question. That's okay. I don't expect you to know every single question, but I want you to do the best that you possibly can. And I really want this to be done by you. I don't want anybody to help you. I don't want anybody to give you the answers. I want you to do this by yourself, because this is going to show us, this is just going to be another way for me to know what you're good at in math. And then also, what you're good at, you're not going to practice a lot because you already know it and there's no need to practice. But things that you need practice on, it's going to be down here, your recommended topics for study. You see critical need for study. That means we really need a lot of practice with this. Some need, you're doing all right, you're making it, but you still need to practice. And mastery shown means you're rocking it. You don't really need any more practice on that. Okay? So you're logged into EducationGalaxy. You've logged in with your username and your password. Your username is your initials and your lunch number, and your password is your lunch number. You're going to go to My Diagnostics, and you're going to take the math one. Okay? The math one. Please do not take reading right now. Please do not take writing. Please take your math one. You're going to do pre-test. You're going to hit this little green arrow, and you're going to get started. Again, please do this by yourself. You can use scratch paper. You can use a whiteboard. You can use whatever you want to help you work out the problems. Please do not have your mom, your dad, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your dog, your cat. Please do not let anybody help you work these problems out. Okay, have fun.